Felicia from BSCS 1A. Today I give the functions. The given is if g of x is equals to 2x squared minus 2x cubed plus 4x minus 1, find gx. G1, G negative 2, G positive 4, and G positive 6. First is we find G1. Okay. 2x squared minus 2x cubed plus 4x minus 1. Okay, substitution. Our first G is G1. So, okay, lahat ng x is papalitan ng positive 1. 2 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 minus 1. So, ngayon po ang mangyayari is solve muna natin. 2, 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Kaya 2 times 1, 2 minus 2 times 1 ay 1 times 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So, ang sagot 2 times 1 plus 4 times 1, 4 minus 1. So, dito po mangyayari yung tinatawag natin na PEMDAS. So, sa PEMDAS po is palagi pong nauna yung addition subtraction. Kaya, una sagutan natin ng 2. Ito muna. Negative 2 plus 4 is equals to positive 2 minus 1. Then, PEMDAS ulit. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So, sa una po, sagot natin is 3. Then, pangalawa is G. We have to find for G2. G negative 2. 2x squared minus 2x cubed plus 4x minus 1. Kaya ano ba yung ating pangalawang x? G is equals to negative 2. So, lahat ng x papalitan ng negative 2. 2 times negative 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 times negative 2 to the power of 3 plus 4 times negative 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4 minus lang negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8 is equals to positive 8 times positive 8 plus 4 times negative 2, negative 8. So, minus negative 1. Then, find 2 times 4, 8 minus 2 times 8 is equals to 16. Then, ito po i-solve muna natin. Plus, negative 8 minus 1 is equals to negative 7. So, okay, negative 7. So, mauya po natin PEMDAS. Negative plus negative is equals to negative 23. So, 8 minus negative 23 is equals to negative 15. So, yung ating answer sa G2 is G negative 2 is equals to negative 15. So, sa pangalawa pa tayo. Pangatlo ay rather. Our given is 2x squared minus 2x cubed plus 4x minus 1. So, yung ating pangatlong given is G of 4. 2 times 4 minus 2 times 4 cube squared plus 4 times 4 minus 1. So, 4 times 4, 16. Into 4 times 4 is equal to 12. 12 times 12 is equals to 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is equals to 24, 64. Positive 64 plus 4 times 4, 16 minus 1. So, solve po muna natin. 32 negative 64 times 2, 8, 128, negative 128 po, plus 16 minus 1, sa mga po addition. 32, negative 28 plus 16 is equals to negative 112 minus 1. So, 32 minus 111 is equals to 11 minus 32 is equals to 9. 9 is equals to 79 is equals to negative 79. So, yung ating G4 is negative 79. Muli po tayo sa ating G6. 2x cubed squared other 2 minus x cubed plus 4x minus 1. So, ano ba yung ating G, diba? 6. G positive 6. Excuse me. So, ngayon substitute po 2 times 6 squared minus 2, 6 cubed plus 4 times 6 minus 1. So, 2, 6 times 6 is equals to 36. Minus 2, 6 times 6 equals to 36. So, 36 times 6 equals to 216. Plus 4 times 6 is equals to 24 minus 1. So, 2 times 36 is equal to 72 minus 216 times 2 is equal to 3, 432 plus 24 minus 1. So, pimdas po ulit, 72, 432 po, minus 24 is 408 po. Negative 408 minus 1. So, 72, negative 407 po yung sagot dito. Negative 407 po is equals to 407 minus 72 is equals to 5, 0. So, manghiram po tayo. 3 maging 335 po. Yung sagot natin is 335. That's all po, sir. Sagot po is 335. My name is Danher P. Felicia from BSCS 1A. So today my problem I gave is about limits. Lim is equals to x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x minus 3 as x approaches to 3. So, sa nakikita nyo po sa problem natin, yung ating denominator is x minus 3 at saka yung ating limits is x approaches to 3. So, pag sinod po natin yan, maaaring mag-0 po yung kalalabasan o yung tinatawag na undefined. Kaya hanap po tayo ng other way na yung factoring. Kaya, una sa paggawa ng factoring, first is x. Tapos, sa ating numerator sum, ito yung pwedeng i-factor, di ba? Yung 6. Kaya, yung 6, ano yung factor ng 6? Siyempre, 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So, kung mapapansin nyo, 1 minus 6 is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So, ngayon, yung gagamitin natin na factor is 2 times 3. Minus 2 minus 3 over x minus 3. Yung ginamit ko na factor is 2 times 3 kasi para yung ating denominator is makaka-cancel natin dito sa numerator. Kaya cancel. So yung natira is x minus 2, copy lang po. So ngayon, dito na mangyayari yung tinatawag na substitution. So yung x natin, ano ba yung x natin? Diba yung x natin is 3. Yung x papalitan natin ng 3. Yung 2, copy lang po, minus 2. Then yung sagot is 1. So yan na po yung ating sagot. Lim is equals to 1. So yung topic natin ngayon ulit is derivatives. Yung binigay ko na example sa derivatives is f of x equals to 3x squared plus 5 over 4x plus 7 all over 4. So to solve it, solution is let g is equals to 3x squared plus 5 over 4x plus 7. To find g1, let u equals 3x squared plus 5 and v is equals to 4x plus 7. So, ito yung u, ito yung v. Yung u natin is yung numerator, yung v natin is yung denominator. Then, u1 is equals to 6x and yung v1 natin is 4. Next is g1 is equals to v1 u rather and v minus u and v1 over v2 is equals to 6x 4x plus 7 minus 3x squared plus 5 times 4 over 4x plus 7 all over 2. Next is fx equals r rather gr minus 1 times g1 is equals to 4 3x squared plus 5 over 4x plus 7 all over 4 minus 1. Okay, bracket 6x plus 7 close open parenthesis minus 3x squared plus 5 times 4 over 4x plus 7 all over 2 equals 4 3x squared plus 5 over 4x 7 4x plus 7 times 3 bracket 12x squared plus 42x minus 22 over 4x plus 7 times to the power of 2 is equals to 8 6x squared plus 21x minus 11 then 3x squared plus 5 over 4x plus 7 power of 5. So the answer is 8x squared plus 21x minus 11 times 3x squared plus 5 power of 3 all over 4x plus 7 to the power of 5. Okay, that's all.